Hello everyone, and I'm super excited that you have decided to join this course. And in this course, you'll be learning about Python programming language. And I have designed this course in such a way that it is for beginners. So if you have never done any programming language, this is going to be a great course for you. We're going to be starting from completely from scratch, and then we're going to build on top of everything. All right. So this is going to be a great course for Python. And then later on, we can actually dive into, like in a different course, machine learning and deep learning and all that stuff. But you have to form the basis, which is Python programming language. All right. So let's go ahead and see that how we can at least quickly set up our environment so we can use Python. Now, there are so many different ways of getting started with learning Python language, so many different ways. But I want to begin with the most easiest way where you don't even have to install anything on your machine. You can just open up your browser, go to a certain website and just start typing Python. All right? I mean, what else can be easier, right? So the resource that I'm going to be using is REPL, replit.com. REPL is kind of like a place where you can go and you can create an environment quickly to test out your code. And it is especially great for just learning and testing out your ideas. You will need to log into REPL. Don't worry, the account is completely free. You can see that you can log in into different ways. I'm just going to say that I'm going to log in using Google. All right. So enter your username, enter your password, and then we'll be able to log in. So after you log in using your username and password, you will be directed to the dashboard screen. Okay. And over here, we can see these are my other apps that I'm working on. These are REPL's environments. You can think of REPL as kind of like a playground or an environment where you can go and learn a language. Not only Python, you can learn, Java or Swift or JavaScript and so many other languages. Now over here, you're not going to see anything because you just created your REPL account and you don't really have an environment. Don't worry, we will create a very simple environment for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this View All button. And in this View All button, it takes us to the apps. And you can see that I can create like 10 apps. Currently, I have 2 because I'm using a free account. And you should be using a free account too. Next, we can click on Create. Now over here, we have to be a little bit careful because there are 2 tabs over here. See, Create with REPL agent or choose a template. So I'm just going to say choose a template. And look at all of this. This is a list of things, list of environments, list of templates that you can use. If you want to learn Java, you select Java. If you want to learn C#, you select C#. Now, in our case, we want to learn Python, right? So Python should be on the top for me, but I think if you even search for Python over here, it will just come up. And we're just going to use Python, not Python with Turtle. Turtle is kind of like an application or framework that allows you to paint on screen and create some graphics, but we're just using Python. Then you have to give some sort of a title to your environment that you're creating. If you don't provide any title, then it will be randomly assigned. As you can see over here, it's randomly assigned. And then I can say create an app. Now, when you create an app, you can see that it's trying to run and all that stuff. Let's open up this. Select the main file. So the main.py file is basically the file where you're going to write some code. All right. Let's see over here. There we go. And yeah, so that is where I'm going to write code. So I can go ahead and write the code in main.py file, and I can run the code. And when I run the code, right on the right-hand side pane, you can see in the console, I get the answer, hello world. That means that it is working. All right. So make sure that you are in the main.py file and you write some valid Python code, which is just hello world. When you run it, when you click on the run button, it will simply run and show you the result. If you can do that, congratulations. This means that you are able to run Python on REPL. And I will be using REPL throughout the course because we are learning Python language. And I think the great way to learn Python language is by using these online editors so that you can quickly run your code and get the result. All right. So let's go ahead and get started with learning Python now.